Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VSLR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice day to day, and really just a nice past couple of weeks as this uptrend here has just continued to build itself. Although the big difference between today and previous days, a whole lot more volume, in the chart today, and volume is always a good thing. So let's first start mapping out some levels of support. Then we can talk resistance. The ideal level of support going forward, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest would be right here at $5. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 5, I'm not saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can stay above that level, that would certainly make it look the strongest going forward. Next level of support after that would be the lows from today, and that is right there at $4.60. So $5 and $4.62 near-term levels of support. Taking a step back, though, and looking at the big picture of things. So if you're somebody that just cares about the grand scheme of things and maybe you're saying, hey, Clay, how do I measure the health of the overall move? This right here being defined as the overall move. How do I measure the health of that? Well, that's where this purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, this line is going to continue to move its way upwards and look something like that. So from a very cut and dry, a very simplistic way to base and gauge the health is as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls are in full health, no questions asked, full control, however you can best visualize that. So grand scheme of things, yeah, as long as the price is drifting upwards, then everything is fine as far as the uptrend is concerned. And the way to measure the quote unquote drifting upwards, just keep an eye on that purple line. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these potential battlegrounds at? For this, I'm actually going to change to the daily time frame quick, because we're going to have to go back way into the chart's history. Always a good problem to have. So I realize it's getting kind of harder to see, but like I said, good problem to have when you have to go back this far into the chart's history. So the next key area of resistance on the chart, right up there at $5.45. So $5.45, next key battleground. But at the end of the day, as long as the price just keeps on building higher bases and putting in those higher lows, the long-term chart will take care of itself. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.